Okay, today we have with us Devanshu Bansal. Devanshu Bansal has scored rank 6 in November AIMS 2012. Congratulations, Devanshu. Devanshu has been our student right from his final year. He had joined Beginners Batch 2-year program. Devanshu has also been a topper throughout his years of MBBS. So Devanshu, how is the feeling now?
I'm feeling very elated.
Okay, good enough. Who's been your motivational factor throughout?
My parents.
Devanshu, you, as I just said, that you had joined the beginners batch from final year. So you've been with us for last 2 years. How do you think the program has helped you?
The main thing that helped me in the program was the regularity. The weekly tests that were held helped me study regularly, and the result, when I got a good result, it really motivated me. Also, I started giving my grand test in the final year as well. So about 10,000, 11,000 out of all those students, if you get a good rank, then it is really motivational.
So what do you suggest? Do you think it is good enough for a student to join in the final year, or is it better that you join in the pre-final year?
I think I should have joined it in the pre-final years, because in pre-final years we are more free and you can give more focus to the studying in coaching institutes along with the college. Because in final years you start preparing for your final exams, but you should not wait till internship to join.
Okay, Devanshu, you just said that you had started writing the grand test in the final year. I would like that you convey this message to your juniors, because although I have been telling them innumerable times, I think yours is going to be more effective. Please tell them that they should write. Yeah.
The grand test you should definitely start writing from the final year, and you should give all your grand tests irrespective of your preparation, because your preparation is never going to be full. You will never feel that your preparation is complete, and you should give all your grand tests without missing anyone from the final year itself.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much, Devanshu. Devanshu, since you've been a part of test and discussion at Dr. Bhatia's, you could mention a few subjects that you feel like have actually influenced you.
Subjects, anatomy was really good, and physiology, and surgery I found good, and pharma was interesting.
Okay, what did you find good about anatomy?
In anatomy, mainly there were many new questions that were discussed, and the embryology part, especially with all the diagrams and concepts, I found good.
What was good about physiology?
Physiology also cleared a lot of concepts, mainly in respiratory system and renal system. For example, clearance concept is not clear to a lot of students.
Okay.
That was explained nicely.
And what was good about surgery?
Surgery was good all throughout, and the prof was really good in teaching.
I believe, Devanshu, you have also written the NEET online test series. How did you find the NEET online test at Dr. Bhatia's?
I gave one NEET online test, and the pattern was quite similar, not exactly, but it was similar to the online test that was held officially at NEET. But the questions at DBMI NEET were more what we were expecting would be like with graphs and diagrams and more understanding questions, and you have to apply your mind. But what we found at the NEET exam was more factual questions and one-liners.
Okay. So, how has your overall experience with Dr. Bhatia's been?
The overall experience was good, and like I already said, that the main thing that it helped me with was to regularize my studies and keep me motivated.
How and what would you like to say about the management and staff at Dr. Bhatia's?
The management was really cooperative. For example, if we had to reschedule a class because of a village posting, for example, we could not attend the class, then the management would allow us to attend the class in a different batch so that we won't miss that subject.
Okay, fine, that's good enough. Devanshu, finally you can give a few tips to your juniors so that even they are helped to achieve what you have achieved in such a short span of time.
Okay, the basic question that the students face is whether to adopt a subject-wise approach or a previous year questions approach. So any one of the approach is good. I took the subject-wise approach, and I started preparing from internship. I actually started preparing my medicine for my final year, but the other subjects from internship. And I did my subject-wise topics each week with weekly tests. And I started doing my previous year questions about 4 months before the exam. And my main focus was on subject-wise topics, but I did cover those questions which I had not done in the subject-wise books from the previous year papers. And the previous year papers are really important because repeat questions do come, so you cannot leave them. But you cannot put your focus on both subject-wise and previous year. You put your focus mainly on one approach and try to fill in the gaps with the other approach. Also, while studying, students get frustrated a lot, and very frequently, actually, for a week at a time, you won't feel like studying. That happens to everyone, so
Okay.
you cannot feel disheartened by that, and you just have to keep on studying.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Devanshu, for giving us time. Thanks a lot.